My name is Grady Bell. I'm from Dallas, Fort Worth. I'm the Director of Sales for ESP. So I have 24 years in the rental industry. I come from general tool background, remediation, pump and power, and my latest would be climate control. My experience in those verticals is going to add revenue to Chris's side of the business. That's where I met Chris originally. When I lived here in Colorado, he was working for another company and we provided him the disaster equipment. I'm used to working with the same customers that Chris currently works with now. It was just on a different level. The disaster relationship that we do, you feel for those people. The key part is supplying the customer what they need when they need it. You have to be dedicated to work throughout the day and night, with little sleep and little food. What we cater to, you know you're gonna be on call 24 hours. A lot of people say they wanna do it and would do it, but until they experience it, it's just not for everyone. I went to work for an architect right out of college, and then I did a little stint on my own, and then I got into the rental business. But that's what was the neat thing for me, is like building those real relationships, right, with customers. Not only like personal, but business-wise too. I think that's why people use people over and over again, is because of that constant relationship building. I started out in the general tool world. That was my first sales role. Then I moved on to pump and power division, restoration and remediation, facility maintenance, and then my current climate control prior to coming over to Chris. I truly believe in family first. My wife's a nurse, so she understands that type of business. She's super caring as well. So it's a never-ending situation for me. Most of the things are gonna happen when least expected. So it'd be 5 o'clock, that's when you're gonna get the call. Again, I've been doing it for over 24 years. It's just natural for me now. I've been doing a lot of running lately. I do a lot of cycling. I lift weights a lot, my wife and I. That's all we do. We spend all our time together, literally like we're empty nesters now. We have 4 kids, 2 grandkids. We like to stay involved in our family. I think about what we're gonna do with the grandkids. I'm blessed to have a good family. I'm blessed to have an awesome wife. She's a nurse, so she can get a job anywhere. Right now we're in Charlotte, relocating back to Fort Worth, Texas. We have 2 kids there, so she'll be closer to the grandkids. My wife jokes, she says, "Why are you 12?" That's why I think I have lived a great life, right? Because I keep it real, and the grandkids keep us on our toes, and the good thing about that is we can give them back. We spend all day with them. We get them filled up with sugar all day, and then we just give them back to the kids, right? And that's their problem moving forward. So payback, put it that way, payback.